Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to install Google Camera in Honor 600E. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.